How to use Claude Design plus WordPress 7 like a pro. Most people using AI for WordPress are doing the same thing. They write a prompt, get some code, paste it in, and fix whatever breaks. That's using AI as a faster search engine, not a design partner. What almost nobody is doing is starting with Claude Design. Now, this isn't going to be a one-click solution. Honestly, it took me a lot of trial and error to get Claude Design working properly. Alright, you can find Claude Design by clicking on the Design tab, and it's available on Pro, Max Team, and Enterprise plans. When you open it, you can choose between a wireframe or a high-fidelity prototype. I always go straight to high fidelity. Stakeholders want to see something real, and with AI handling the first draft, there's no reason to start low fidelity anymore. Before you build anything, you can set up a design system by uploading your brand assets, your logo, fonts, color palette, and existing design files. Claude reads them and generates a reusable system. The idea is that every project after that automatically uses your brand. What I've found is that if you give Claude Design total creative freedom with just a strong prompt, the results are genuinely impressive. The moment you add heavy design system constraints, the output gets worse, not better. So here's how I actually use it. I can open a new project and type a detailed prompt, hit continue, and Claude generates the full page on the canvas. This isn't a static image. It's live HTML you can click through and scroll. And for a first draft with no design system attached, the result is genuinely good. Strong layout, real hierarchy, nothing that looks like default AI output. Be specific in your comments. Vague feedback produces vague changes and burns through tokens doing it. Once the design looks right, I can click on Export and choose Handoff to Claude Code. Claude Design packages everything into a handoff bundle with the design files, component structure, and styling contents all included. Then I can choose Send to Local Coding Agent, which opens Claude Code on my machine. And I give Claude Code one small instruction. Take this handoff bundle and build it into a WordPress theme. Write functions.php, the style sheet, and all page templates. Map the spacing values to Google's 8DP grid and output all design tokens as CSS custom properties in theme.json. Claude Code reads the design intent, not just a screenshot, and builds the theme. It writes functions.php, the style sheet, the templates, and builds out each section. Then I can install the theme on my local WordPress install, and the design renders close to what Claude Design produced. Now, I had to tweak a lot of things, and it wasn't as seamless. But this entire design took me just 2 hours to complete. And honestly, I haven't replaced my current setup with this yet, because I've already got a workflow that works really well for me. But I'm genuinely excited about the stable release, and once that's out, I'll do a much deeper walkthrough on using Claude Design to build stunning WordPress websites with a complete agentic system. So subscribe and keep an eye out for that one.